Hi everybody, my name is Dean and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as you would have guessed from the title, today's vlog is all about eyewear. And the reason that I've actually chosen this subject is because eyewear is more than just vision. It's actually part of your overall style. Now, whether you're looking to choose a pair of prescription glasses or even just a pair of sunglasses, it's important that you choose the right pair because this will help elevate your look. It can project confidence, and to a degree, it can even define your personality. So in today's vlog, we're going to cut through all the information that you need to help you choose the perfect glasses or sunglasses. So let's crack straight into it. Now obviously it goes without saying that eyewear is a functional accessory, but it's also one of the first things that people will notice about you. Similar to a suit or watch, your glasses can reflect who you are. Now, depending on the frames that you choose, they will maybe help the viewer decide whether you're a classic man, a sophisticated man, or maybe even a bold man. Another benefit as well of eyewear is that they can actually help balance out the shape of your face, complement your wardrobe, and in some cases even boost your self-esteem. Okay, so I think it would be pretty obvious for me to say that not all glasses are created equally, and depending on the shape of your face is going to pretty much determine the kind of frames for your glasses that you need to go for. Now I've got a little hack for you here, and this is going to save you a lot of time. Now when I first realised I needed glasses, I spent around a week looking at all different images online, pictures of guys wearing glasses, and I stored in my mind these different styles that I thought would suit me. However, the reality was when I actually got to the opticians, all of those designs that I'd stored in my mind that I thought I wanted and would suit me, didn't. So here's a hack for you. Go to a website called Specsavers. Now this vlog isn't sponsored by them, but I think this hack is going to save you a lot of time and really help you find the glasses that shape your face. That suit your face, sorry. So yeah, go to Specsavers. Once you're on that website, you're able to take a picture of your face and upload it to the website. But here's the clever part. Once you've done that, you can actually superimpose all the different kinds of frames that Specsavers sell directly onto your face. So what this is going to do is it's going to cut down the amount of time you're going to need when you're in an optician's trying to find frames that actually suit your face. So that's a really good hack and one that I would seriously suggest that you check out. Anyway, let's discuss a little bit different face shapes and the kinds of frames that would probably suit you best. So let's imagine you've got a oval face. Now with oval faces, you will typically find that either round or square frames will be the ones to go for because these will help to add structure to your features. But then on the other hand, let's imagine you've got a square face. Typically with a square face, you want to soften the angles, and you will find that round or oval frames will probably be the best ones to go for. Let's imagine you've got a round face. Now with round faces, angular or rectangular frames are probably the best style to go for because these will help to create a contrast on your features. And then lastly, if you've got a heart-shaped face, then you really want to be going for frames that are going to balance the width of the forehead and the chin. For example, aviators, they would be the perfect style if you've got that heart-shaped face. Now, it's also hugely important when you're selecting your glasses or your frames that you remember that balance is the key here. It's the principal thing that you want to be looking for because you want frames that are going to complement your face, but at the same time, you don't want to overpower your features. Now, obviously, when you're choosing your glasses, it's not just about the frames. You've got the lens to consider as well. And choosing the right lens is just as important as choosing the right frame. So, for example, if you're looking for a everyday pair of glasses, then the quality of the lens and the material is going to be of high importance for you. At the same time as well, you need to know what you want to get out of the glasses. Obviously, they're there to aid your vision, but are you looking for something that gives you high definition? Are you looking for lenses that offer anti-glare or blue light blocking? All of these things are essential because they're really going to make a difference in the comfort to you when you're wearing them. Now if we switch to the different kinds of lenses that are available when we are looking at sunglasses, there's so many different kinds. You've got different shades, different tints, different coatings, and depending on your needs, it's going to really define the kind of lens that you need for your sunglasses. So for example, polarized lenses are brilliant for reducing glare and are perfect for outdoor activities. However, if you go for more gradient lenses, these are ideal for that more stylish and classic look. Now, as I mentioned right at the start, I think it was of the video, I mentioned that glasses are a functional accessory, but let's just home into that word accessory, because you can choose between glasses or sunglasses depending on the occasion. Now a lot of the time people think sunglasses are just for the summer, but if you actually choose the right kinds of sunglasses, they can actually help to add a little bit of mystery or sophistication to your look, especially if you're wearing, for example, a suit. I'm sure you've seen some of these celebrities sometimes wearing sunglasses with a suit, and it does just that. It adds that little style touch. Then if we switch and we talk a little bit about glasses such as these that I'm wearing, normal glasses, then consider your daily activities. A sleek modern design will work very well in the office, but maybe you want to wear a vintage frame for the weekend. That'll give you a more of a sort of relaxed and cool vibe, and it could look really good just on social gatherings. So choosing between sunglasses or glasses is really dependent on the event that you're going to, what the occasion is, and how you want to accessorize for that occasion. Okay, so we've discussed frame selection, what sort of frames would probably best suit you depending on your face shape. We've spoke a little bit about lens, because obviously lenses are there primarily to help your vision, but there's also so many different things that they can do. We mentioned the anti-glare or blue blocking, etc. So you need to consider that as well, what the lenses are going to do. And then lastly, you need to consider the branding, because I was absolutely bowled over with how many brands were available. I assumed that there'd be manufacturers such as Ray-Ban there. They specialize in eyewear, but I was even seeing frames from brands such as Converse that make sneakers, trainers. So obviously branding is going to depend on your budget, but let's just discuss some of the probably more recognized ones in eyewear. So first of all, as I just mentioned, Ray-Ban, it's a classic brand, iconic designs. You've got the Wayfarer, you've got the Aviator, and you're certainly going to have a lot of choice of different kinds of Ray-Ban frames in your opticians. Then you've got, for example, Oliver Peoples. Now I think they're probably better known for their more minimalist, refined frames, and I think they sort of exude an understated elegance, and I really like that brand. Another very popular brand is Persol. Now I think Persol, they are a brand that offers very high quality craftsmanship. They're very stylish, and I think their frames are also very distinctive. And then of course we've got some of the luxury brands, for example Tom Ford. They are pretty much as edgy as you can get. They're typically very bold frames, but very expensive as well. So of course personal style is going to play a huge role here when you're selecting your frames, but don't be afraid to explore independent eyewear brands, or even I mentioned earlier vintage frames as well, if you want that more unique look. Okay, so buying glasses isn't a cheap exercise, and it's important that you care for your glasses well, because if you do, they'll keep looking sharp for years to come. So a few of my tips when it comes to maintaining your glasses is, first of all, goes without saying, clean your glasses regularly. Now you can use a microfiber cloth. For example, I use these optician cloths, perfect for keeping the lenses clean. When I'm wearing my glasses, I probably do it 2 or 3 times a day. Secondly as well is always store your glasses in the case, because it's so easily for them to damage if they're not in a case. I've got a couple of different cases. I've got 2 different pairs of glasses here, but as soon as I'm not wearing them, they go into these cases. So really important. Secondly as well is, if you find that your glasses are starting to slip, or they're just not feeling as comfortable as they once did, make sure you get your eyewear adjusted. Go into the opticians and just get them to make that little adjustment, because again, comfort is really important. And then lastly, for sunglasses, I know they're called sunglasses, but do not store them in direct sunlight. You know, high temperatures actually will warp the lenses and they'll warp the frames. I've had that happen on 2 occasions. So very important, make sure that they're stored out of direct sunlight. I mentioned earlier on in the vlog that you want your eyewear to enhance your overall look, but it's important that you don't allow your eyewear to dominate it. So what I'm getting at here really is, if you're going to go with, say, bold frames, then try to keep the rest of your outfit a little bit more simple to avoid sort of looking overdone. However, if your style, your clothing style is more sort of classic, then you can opt for glasses that make a stronger statement because the balance will be correct. However, at the same time, you know, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. But just remember that the best eyewear is eyewear that complements your face shape, your personal style, and it helps to project that image that you want to put across. So what are my closing thoughts here, guys? Well, I think your eyewear is an investment not just in your style but also your comfort. You know, whether you're looking to select a pair of glasses for everyday wear or you're just looking to pick up a pair of sunglasses for the summer, it's important to remember that the right pair can elevate your look, it can enhance your confidence and really reflect who you are. So take your time to get the right pair. I'd be interested to know as well, what's your go-to style when it comes to eyewear? So be sure to let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed the vlog, please hit the like button, and more importantly, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to do. We're a very small channel, we want to continue to grow. Anyway guys, enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, and I'll get back to you again soon.